Go get a blindfold.
For Paul? You want to pull on the rope? Heck yeah, good plan. You know, we could like rig a harness around her and do like the Peter Pan thing. This would be awesome. Okay, look, you hold this, I'll tie myself to that end, you make me fly. That'd be great. Well, come on, let's whack him.
You might want to back up. I don't know.
She got the idea?
Hey, I've never seen a piñata where somebody's moving it.
Oh, yeah.
That's, you know, we have a beginner's class, Intro to Piñata.
That's a school class in Texas?
Absolutely.
It's required in 7th and 8th grade. Beginners and advanced piñatas. It's right after Texas history.
How many times do we gotta hit it?
I'll give you 5 swings.
5 swings.
5 swings.
Hello?
Oh, are you taking my picture?
I'm videotaping.
Caleb, I've been talking to you.
She's got it. She's got it.
It's like a baton.
Twirl it, baby. Now do a cartwheel.
Way down on her head. You're doing pretty good. Next time you go to church on high school, you bend down. If you look at it. No, I'm not willing to give that up.
Wait, is there any grabbing of the piñata? I thought that was a foul.
No, I don't think that's in the
10-yard
rules.
penalty.
All right.
Good enough.
You had enough, Lily? You're next.
You have enough, sweetie?
All right, Caleb. Let's see it. You still have to spin around, too. Caleb's gonna... I'm gonna stand by.